Bosta rappreżentanti ta' trade unions barranin li jinsabu f'pajjiżna kellhom kliem ta' tifħir dwar is-suċċessi li kiseb pajjiżna permezz ta' qatt ta' miżuri li daħħal il-Gvern fl-aħħar snin fosthom iż-żieda fil-paga minima u childcare b'xejn. One News tkellem mal-istess rappreżentanti li attendew għall-konferenza organizzata mill-General Workers Union dwar iż-żieda fil-pagi tal-ħaddiema u s-sitwazzjoni ekonomika fl-Ewropa. Megan Dobney, is-Segretarju Reġjonali ta' Trade Unions ta' Londra, iddeskrivit il-kisbiet li għamlet Malta bħala impressjonanti.
So we listened very carefully to the structures, the involvement of the trade unions and the employers and an outcome that is good for everybody. So it's an impressive achievement.
Dan fil-waqt li Kristina Teokari, il-kap tar-relazzjonijiet internazzjonali ta' Trade Unions ta' Ateni, saħqet li kien pajjiżna li wera li dal-pass seta' jsir.
Malta is the first country that has adopted this pay rise, and we were impressive of the way you could do that in a very harsh time for the economies. So it is a good example. You show the way, and I hope that other countries, among them my country, Greece, will follow.
Dwar it-tkabbir ekonomiku ta' pajjiżna mingħajr miżuri ta' austerità, Dobni enfasizzat li dak li seħħ f'pajjiżna huwa xi ħaġa li kien ilu jingħad għal diversi snin.
It's something that trade unions have said over the last 10 years since the crash, that you can't cut your way out of a financial disaster caused externally. And it's very good to see that our policies are effective in practice.
Dan fil-waqt li saħqet li l-mudell adottat minn Malta huwa wieħed li jista' jkun il-bażi għal pajjiżi oħra.
But what it does show is the Maltese model is working for Malta, and we have some very similar policies within our trade union movement and in our Labour Party in the UK, which involve spending money on the needs of the workforce and stopping the outflow of capital.
Xi ħaġa li qablet fuqha wkoll Teokari.
It is a model which is reliable. This could be extended even to bigger countries because it's measures of common sense.
Dwar is-servizz ta' childcare b'xejn, iż-żewġ rappreżentanti saħqu kemm huwa ta' benefiċċju u li pajjiżna huwa eżempju ċar ta' dan.
How effective your free childcare programme has been is marvellous. It's such an important issue to ensure that women not only have the right to work on an equal basis, but that it's recognised that we take on specific duties that men do not always do.
I think that is the only way, on the one hand, to address this demographic problem, and on the other side, to liberate women to enter or to remain in the labour market, because otherwise they are excluded, so we lose the half of the workforce, which is important.